Hi, I'm Alicia. Today I am making a set of bulk cards using Mintay's Happy Place collection. This is the Mintay Happy Place collection. It's a beautiful collection full of positive thoughts and quotes, pastel colours, a hint of black, butterflies, flowers, roller skates. I'm going to take you step by step through the process of how I made this bulk set of 12 cards. If you would like printable instructions, you can get those over on my website at www.papercraftsecrets.com.au. The step-by-step instructions will assist you with watching the video and recreating the cards. Let's get started.
Let's have a look at the things that we're going to need to make the cards. This is the Happy Place 6x6 scrapbooking paper pad. This is the number 6 12x12 scrapbooking paper, which has been cut along the lines to create 12 3x4 cards. This is the Happy Place cardboard sticker sheet. This is going to provide all of the sentiments for our cards. You'll also need some black cardstock. I'm going to be using some black card bases for my cards and some white doilies. I'm going to be using some pink ink to ink the edges of my cards. I'm going to be using some pretty pink crinkled ribbon and some paper blooms that match the colours in the collection, some glue and some recycled cardboard to use instead of mounting tape. The first step is to choose 12 pages from the Happy Place 6x6 scrapbooking paper pad. The next step is to cut the papers to 4 1/16 of an inch by 6 inches. Once you've cut those, step 3 is to adhere these papers to the front of the base card. Step 4 is to cut 12 black rectangles from your black cardstock. These need to be 3 1/8 of an inch by 4 1/8 of an inch. Then we're going to adhere the 3x4s to these black rectangles, which will just give a nice black border around the edge, which will match in with our card. I like to lay all of my cards out in front of me on my desk so I can get a good view of the whole collection of cards. The next step is to ink the edges of your cards and also the edges of the 3x4s with the pink ink. Step 7 is to adhere doilies to the center of each card. The next step is to add some recycled cardboard onto the back of all the 3x4s. This will take the place of mounting tape. Then you just need to decide which card will have which 3x4. Look for contrasting colours and patterns. Step 9 is to adhere the 3x4s to the center of each card. Our next step is to choose our pink ribbon and make some little bows with the ribbon. We're going to need one bow for each card. We're also going to use some flowers. You're going to need 2 flowers per card. I managed to pull these ones apart and use the different layers of petals so that the flower is quite flat and soft. It's also an economical way to use a lot of flowers on all of these cards. So just by pulling apart a little silk bloom, you can actually find lots and lots of layers inside these flowers that you can use. I just layered two petals for each flower. The next step is to choose our sentiments for the cards. These are beautiful sentiments and become a real focal point for the card. Adhere each of the flowers and the pink ribbon onto each card. I'm doing this with a hot glue gun, and I'm just adding a silver or a sparkly gemstone for the middle of each flower. Add butterflies and small gem flowers to each of the cards for embellishment. Step 14 is to add some white cord tied into a bow into the middle of each flower cluster.
I hope you enjoyed this tutorial for how to make a set of bulk cards using Mintay's Happy Place collection. Thank you for watching and have a lovely crafty day.